Hi, in this video I have a short drill for you. It's about passing mutable and immutable objects as arguments to functions. Here's the problem. Here's a function that takes two arguments and reassigns the first of them to 10 and the first element of the second argument, which is a list, also to 10. Now, here we have an integer in a list. A equals 5, an integer, and B equals a list with two elements, 5 and 5. Now we're passing the integer and the list as arguments to our function. Func A, B. Now the question is, what are A and B after the function returns? So what are A and B now? If you want, you can now stop the video and try to figure it out. Now, and here is the solution. So A is unchanged, whereas the first element of B was changed. It was 5, and now it's 10. Why is that? Well, explanation. When we pass an argument to a function, we assign an object to the name of the parameter. So when we pass A and B to func, we assign A to num and B to lst. If we then assign a new value to num in the function, we're actually creating a new object in the local scope of the function. From now on, num will reference this new object, but the original object in global scope will not be changed. This is why A is still 5 after the function returns. This is how it works with immutable objects. The second argument, lst, is assigned the B list. A list is a mutable object. Inside the function, the list is modified, and as this is a mutable type, this is an in-place change. Both lst and B share a reference to the same list object. So if the list is modified either in the function or in global scope, the change is visible everywhere. By the way, I have a video on shared references, so feel free to watch it if you like. If instead of modifying an element in the list, we assigned a different list to lst in the function, the result would be just like with the first argument. Then we would create a new object in the local scope of the function, and from that point on, lst would reference the new object and have no effect on the B list in the global scope. Let's try to do it now. So let's redefine our function. So here, instead of modifying the list, we're assigning a new list to lst. So we're creating a new local object. Now let's use the same integer, 5, and the same list equals 5, 5. And now let's pass these two to our function. And now A and B should be unchanged. And so they are. Because here, this is local scope, and here, this is global scope. Two different things. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.